Hello there! First off, I'd like to thank you so much for buying Minky Moo Creations collections. This video is a step-by-step guide on how to download and use your new collection. The first thing you will need to do is click on your profile picture icon. Next, an option that says Purchases and Review should appear. Please click. The collection you have just bought should appear, and the option Download Files should be right next to it. Please click. Then, you will download all the files. If you are on a Mac, there should be an option on the top right corner of your screen. Once you have clicked on the downloads icon, continue to drag all the files to your desktop. If you click on any of the corresponding files that you downloaded, your illustrations should be in them. But now you might be wondering, these are amazing, but I don't know how to use them. Don't worry, I'll explain. For now, we will be using Canva. Head on over to the option Create a Design. Once you have chosen the type of file you would like to work with, now on the editor side panel, select the Uploads tab. Now hit the big purple button that says Upload Media. Choose any of the corresponding files that you had downloaded and now upload them to Canva. Once all your images are downloaded, you are free to start designing now. Choose any of the images you had uploaded on the editor's panel and start designing. You can feel free to change the transparency if that's what you wish. Stay in the loop with Minky Moo Creations. Connect with us on our social media platforms like Instagram and subscribe to our newsletter at minkymooCreations.com. Be the first to know about exclusive coupons, promos, updates, and even receive free gifts every month. It's our way of saying thank you for being part of our creative family. So there you have it, your step-by-step guide on downloading and using Minky Moo Creations collections.